I've really been on a proper bakkie roller coaster, and it's all because the bakkie market currently is super busy. Everybody wants a piece of the pie, and now BYD has entered the ring in a big way. Today I'm bringing you coverage from the BYD launch event, where they introduced 3 brand new models to the South African market. The BYD SEALION 6, a smart, fuel-efficient plug-in hybrid family SUV, the BYD SEALION 7, an all-electric luxury sports coupe SUV with a serious pace and a nice range, if I could say, and the one I'll be focused on today, the BYD SHARK 6, a bold, powerful plug-in hybrid bike that may just ruffle a few feathers, especially in the Ford Ranger camp. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are on the road to 20,000 subscribers, and your support helps us bring more local, real car world content to your screens. I mean, 90% of you guys haven't yet subscribed, so imagine just even if half of you guys just subscribe. We got 50,000 subscribers already. Now, before we get into the SHARK 6, let's talk about BYD. You might have seen the name pop up recently, and that's for a good reason. BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, is a global powerhouse. They started back in 1995 making batteries, and today they are one of the biggest electric vehicle manufacturers in the world. From cars to trains, even solar power, they are one of the big names in the tech game. In Mzansi, they first introduced the Auto or Auto 3, then came the Dolphin and the sleek Seal sedan. And now the lineup grows with the SHARK and the 2 SEALION models. We only got to test drive the SHARK 6 in a corporate estate with a 150 to 200 meter straight line. So it was not really ideal for full-on testing, but enough to get a taste. Now let me tell you, the taste comes with a bit of serious bite. Okay. So yeah, I am driving the BYD SHARK 6. What is there going to be a SHARK 45321? We never know. Where's the key? I'll just show you this weird looking key. BYD key, this massive screen, and this, there's no buttons, okay, so it's just drive. And forward we go. Where are the wipers? There's wipers. Okay, at least that worked. It's not working. There we go. These are not the... Not smooth. And the braking is also quite smooth. I wonder how it's gonna be when I have this on test. Hey, I'll be creeping up on y'all, eh? Well, this is big. To have a big electric car like this is... It's sort of weird, and it actually takes the bumps very well. Until I was scared to go pedal flat. Me, I would do it, but yeah, I don't want to become a statistic. I can't even say the word properly. How do you say it, my brother? So because the screen is turned away, this is bad according to me, because it means that we'll always have to turn the screen around, and it won't turn around if we're in reverse. BYD, this is a no-no from me. Let's drive. Oh, why is it not going back? Okay. Interesting. There we go. I'm even switching. Where's the aircon? Everything is on screens now. Where's the fan speed? Oh, the camera tool. Go. But overall, I'm not gonna lie to you from driving the car up and down and say, oh, it's the best feeling hybrid truck, whatever we can call it, because this thing is huge. I feel like it's bigger than a Raptor, because they claim it's faster than a Raptor, which is highly possible. But we'll see about that the day we get to test it. Anyway, from me, guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe, so I keep on testing cars for a living. Thank you. Let's talk about the looks. The SHARK 6 has presence. A big, bold grille, C-shaped LED headlights. Ford also has the same. But okay. Flared arches, it's giving tough and it's giving premium. The stands look big, man. This thing is very big. Looks like a Hummer. I think it's around that size of the American versions of the Hummer, not the South African mini ones we had. Underneath, it's built on the BYD DMO Super Hybrid off-road platform. A mouthful, yes, but basically it's clever, it's rugged, and it's powerful. The SHARK 6 produces 321 kilowatts and 615 newton meters of torque. way more than a Raptor. It has a special 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine paired with those 2 electric motors, one for the front, one for the back.
There we go. Engine is on now.
Catapulting this beast of a truck from 0 to 100 in 5.7 seconds, thanks to its all-wheel drive and instant torque vectoring, and with a combined range of approximately 670 kilometers, which is competing with modern-day bakkies. But yeah, we will see. You know how those things are. The pure EV range is around 85 kilometers, so even when you do run out of battery, the petrol consumption is claimed to be around 9.6 liters per 100 kilometers, which is not bad for a bakkie, but with the weight again and a 1.5-liter engine with all that weight, I beg to differ. I'm sure the figures will be high on the real-world test. Now you get these wheels, chunky 18 inches with an off-road trend.
Look at this.
Inside, it's an SUV level of comfort and tech everywhere, with a screen that rotates like a tablet. Okay, it is a tablet, it rotates. It's just cool playing around with this. So many cool features in this car, which I was just trying to play with in a short period of time. And hey, if you are enjoying this content, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your car crazy friends or family. It really helps us grow. I mean, road to 20,000 subscribers. Now, let's be honest. We South Africans can be often, what can I say, brand biased. And we know it. But with brands like BYD bringing serious tech, performance and value for money, we're finally starting to open up. Would you buy a bakkie that's more powerful than a Ford Ranger Raptor? From a brand which you've never heard of maybe about a year or two ago? Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think of the BYD SHARK 6. Is it a future hit? Or do you still need some more convincing? Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full in-depth review once we get this beast on proper roads. And don't forget, subscribe, like the video, and hit that bell so you don't miss out. We've got more test drives, launches, and real-world reviews coming up. Catch you on the next one. Mzansi Petrolheads signing out.